but this is the braid pattern I'm going to use to tucking this away. Now this is the hair that I'm using. I use 2 packs of this hair. I'm just saying the braid pattern that I use, but this is the product that I'll be using. It's clearing now. So I'm hoping it will be enough. I bought 2 packs. Each pack has about 36 strands. 36 strands makes a pack, and I have here 28 this, and here 4, and the remaining I'll put here. So hopefully this works. So without further ado, let's just get. So these are basically butterfly locks. I hope you see them when you need to see them. I'm going to. So this is the length of this, and this is the length of my hair. So I'm just going to start from here.
Should've known better than to trust in love. It's like this whole world keeps on messing it up. Yeah, I thought that I could do better if I just believed. Yeah, I'm thinking back to when you were in the sweater that you got from me. Oh, now it's so complicated. Why is this suffocating me? I felt elevated when you used to lay with me. Should've known better than to trust in love. It's like this whole world keeps on messing it up. Yeah, I thought that I could do better if I just believed. Yeah, I'm thinking back to when you were in the sweater that you got from me. Oh, now it's so complicated. Why is this suffocating me? I felt elevated when you used to lay with me.
So at this point, I'm almost done with this hair. It's already morning here. I worked on the hair until last night. I had to go to sleep and woke up this morning to continue. So I have this I'm still going to install, and I have this left. The other one have been fixed. So here I have this, so I'm going to put this through and this. So Let's quickly get that because I'm going to work. I am going to work. So here. Now I come to the second one, which is this guy here. The same thing that we did before. What I do is I measure out shirt length, put the crochet hook, pass it through the crochet hair. When I get to the root, I bring this hair, pass it through the loop, close the latch, and pull through. It's that simple. Then I continue. I'm using this hand to make it easy, to make sure that it's going through. It doesn't necessarily, it will not come out perfect, but it gets the job done, you know. See that? So here you can see this is the hair. As a matter of fact, to be quicker, if we take it different shots, you know, here we go. This is the final one, and that is the final look. So I have 1, 2, and 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look and see if I have open spaces. Where I have open spaces, I will put them up, go get ready for work, and then come back to show you the final look. Ciao.